If you need money urgently, there are several strategies that you can implement depending on your skills, your resources, and the time frame you're working with. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 things that you must do to get money as quickly as possible. The last one is very risky and should only be considered when every other options don't seem to work. This video will be very brief because I don't want to waste your time. So let's begin. The first option is driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or delivering food with services like DoorDash or Uber Eats because they offer flexible hours and quick pay. If you have a car, you can rent it out on apps like Turo. You can also rent out equipment, tools, or even a spare room or Airbnb. Secondly, consider doing temporary gigs like babysitting, dog walking, lawn mowing, or even house cleaning, which can often be found on local job boards or apps like Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, or even by recommendation from friends and families. Also, offering tutoring services in subjects you are skilled in like maths, English, science, or music can be a great way to earn fast money, especially during exam seasons. Look for a temporary or part-time job at a local restaurant or fast food chain that may offer quick hiring and daily or weekly payouts. You can also explore cashback or survey apps which offer small but easy money making opportunities. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or even Toluna allows you to earn small amounts by completing surveys and participating in market research. While it will make you rich, it's a quick way to earn some extra cash. Before I review the last option, please take out 5 seconds to subscribe to this channel if you haven't before the timer runs out. Finally, if you own valuable items you no longer need like watches, jewelry, or even electronics, some local buyers may offer quick cash in exchange for them. You can also sell them online on platforms like Facebook Marketplace or eBay. When selling your valuables, be very careful not to sell things that you need and can't do without so you won't regret them later. Remember, money is supposed to make you comfortable and not foolish.